Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to size videos for Instagram Reels. So it's super simple. Make sure that you're on the edit page right at the bottom right here. And now what we want to do is go to the master control folder area and just select a space that's not occupied and right click. Go on timeline, create new timeline. And now we're going to unselect use project settings, go to format, and now we're going for 1080p by 1920. So we're going to type 1080 in here and 1920 right over here. Click enter. And now once we drag clips onto into this timeline, it'll perfectly fit the frame for Instagram Reels. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.